Hi friends, நம்ம part B to mark question பார்த்துடலாம். First one, he and Chaucer among other things had in this common. First ஒனுக்கு சரியா ஆன்சர் தெரியல. உங்களுக்கு யாருக்காவது தெரிஞ்சா ப்ளீஸ் அப்டேட். Who is referred to hereன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இதில் வந்துட்டு ஆன்சர் நமக்கு தெரியல. I just read the question for you. That is he and Chaucer among other things had this in common. Who is referred to here? Boccaccio, Petrarch, Homer, Dante. And இதில் two questions கேட்டிருக்காங்க. What are they have in common? அவங்களுக்கு என்ன காமன்னா they refined their mother tongues. And next question பார்த்தீங்கன்னா that is செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் பார்த்துடலாம். செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி ஒன் அட்மைரர் இஸ் சேஞ்ச் டு இங்கிலாந்து டேஷ் கெனாட் லீவ் த காப்ஸ் ஆர் கிளைமேட் ஆர் சம்திங் ஆன்சர் இஸ் மிஸ்டர் கிங் கிராஃப்ட். அண்ட் தேர்ட் ஒன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சாப்டர் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஓல்டு பியானோ இன் வேனிட்டி ஃபேரிஸ். இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் இட் இஸ் 59. ஆனால் இங்கே ஆன்சர் அது கொடுக்கவே இல்லை. அதனால் இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் நமக்கு பாலிடெக்னிக் டிஆர்பியில் கன்செஷன் கொடுப்பாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வி வில் செக். அதுபோல் வேலஸ் ஸ்டீவன்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு போயம் இஸ் பப்ளிஷ்ட் ஸ்னோமேன் இன் மேகசின்ல பப்ளிஷ் ஆச்சு. அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் கிரீடில் மெட் கைல்ஸ் அட் த பம்ப் இஸ் கிவன் இன் த சாப்டர் ஆஃப் த உட்லாண்டர்ஸ். எந்த சாப்டரில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. சாப்டர் நம்பர் தட் இஸ் 9. தட் இஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா dash ins Henry VIII's wife whom he divorces because he did not produce a male heir Catherine. And next make the following, that is we have to match the following. Odanji, Rolla, Ogan and Mute. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒபான்ஜி ஃபாரஸ்ட் ஹெட்டு, ரோலா மேடம் டட்டாய்ஸ் அண்ட் உகான் இட் இஸ் உகான் இஸ் Ugon is a patron god and Mute is a tree nymph. One more time I'll tell you the answer. Ubanji is the forest head, Rola is a Madame Tortoise, Ugan is a patron god and Mute is a tree nymph. Then next one, match the list using the code. We needed a ceremony among friends. He might have mustered for a tall there is a sapula. And how the ship and expand for a muffin. The client was dismissed with certain attentions to Smithfield. The answer is what need of ceremony among friends is All Fools Day. The next one, he might have mustered for a tall sapula Oxford in vacation. How was a ship and expand over a muffin? South Sea House. And fourth one, the client was dismissed with certain attentions to Smithfield. The answer is Christ Hospital 530 years ago. One more time I repeat the answer. What need of ceremony among friends is All Fools Day. He might have mustered for a tall replica is Oxford in occasion. How was the ship and expand over a muffin? The answer is South Sea House. Then the client was dismissed and certain attentions to Smithfield is Christ Hospital 530 years ago. And next question, Hilda, Langstrad, Harlome. What is the answer is Elida is a mother, Hilda is a daughter, and Langstrand is a dying artist, and Harlome is a tutor. Elda is a mother, Hilda is a daughter, and Armstrong is a dying artist, and Harlome is a tutor. Which of the following statements are true about the happenings in Ashby's novel? Here three things are correct. There is the ritual of hurling new pumpkin leaves at Yuli's feet signifies the beginning of the new yam festival. And third one, Elihu ignites the war between Umuru and Upari over a land dispute. And Winter Blossom issues an arrest warrant to Elihu for his non-acceptance of the Christian God. So the answer is B. And next question, the explicants analysis of the internal verbal interactions characteristic of the new criticism derives from such books as I.A. Richards' Practical Criticism, Ibsen's 7 Types of Ambiguity. And next one, match the following words from the meaning of given by Richards in Principles of Literary Criticism. And tied images is authority and articulatory images. Free imagery is visual images. Feelings is commonly signs. And Kinesthesia is an integrant of consciousness. One more time I repeat. Tide images are auditory and articulatory images. Free imagery is an integrant of consciousness. Feeling is feeling is common science, and kinesthesia is an integrant of consciousness. Next one. Bonario and Celia are tried for in the court adultery. And next one, the reverse process called dash is overtaken the old English word hunt. You are used for any kind of dog, but now as hound you used only for some specific breeds. It is narrowing. And 15th question, you cannot have, that is match the list one with the second using the code given. You cannot have been always at Longbourn. I will make no promise of the kind, and he is as fine as fewer as I saw. I am convinced it will add very great list of the happiness. The answer is you cannot have been always at Logbone. The answer is Mr. Darcy. I will make no promise of the kind. It is of Elizabeth. He is as fine as fellow as ever I saw. It is Mr. Bennet. I am convinced it will, and very greatest of my happiness is Collins. Though the answer is you cannot have always been at Longtown is Mr. Darcy, and I will make no promise of the kind is Elizabeth. He is as fine as I saw that is Mr. Bennet. I am convinced it will add very greatest to my happiness is and the answer is Mr. Collins. And phonetic distinctions in a language can be tested via pairs and sets of words. In the old Scythian custom, when the head of the house died, he was dressed in finest clothes. I hope to be listened to this time was, says Robert Browning. Match the following characters with the apt description. Checo, Sophomole, Veluta, Estephen. Here, Checo is once a Rhodes Scholar at Oxford, and Sophie Mole is who died later by drowning. Veluta is Amu's low-caste lover. Estephen is Raphael's twin brother. And then next question. That is Solonius, the Duke of Aeschylus, is leading Dash to be executed in the opening of the play Aegean. And next one, what are the symbols used in Adventures of the Tom Sawyer? The cave, the storm, the treasure, and the village. The title of the 17th chapter in Corridors of the Power is the switch of the suspension. Next one, which of the statements are not true? Two statements are not true. That is second and the third one. Book 9 ends with Satan's victory over Adam and Eve, and Satan enters the body of the sleeping serpent. These two are wrong. And next one, according to Matthew Arnold, the great force, the epoch of concentration was dash, and the great voice of the epoch of concentration was England's Blake. England and then the Blake. And then whom does Theseus marry at the end of the play? Hippolyta. Hippolyta is the answer. And here we again one more match the following. Though winner near the god, though winner near the goal, yet do not grieve. The music the surpass mariner, the spring of love gushed from heart, as ever beneath a swanning moon was haunted. Here the answers are, though winning near the goal, yet not to be grieved, ode on a Grecian urn. And next one, the music does surpass mariner. The answer is there is to ode to a skylark. And a loud gushed from my heart is of the rhyme of the first one it is the rhyme of the ancient mariner, and last ever beneath a warning moon was haunted is the Kubla Khan. Here one more time I tell the answer. Though winning there is not a goal yet not grieve. The answer is last one, ode on a Grecian urn, thy music the surpass mariner. The answer is told to the skylark. The spring of love gushed from my heart is second one, the rhyme of the ancient mariner. As ever beneath a warning moon was hushed is third one, Kubla Khan. 27th question. Those who have a mind to correspond with my direct their letters to the spectator at Mr. Buckley's in Little Brighton. Yeah, Mr. Buckley and Little Brighton are refers to dash and dash. Here the answers are Sir Roger, publisher, Sir Roger's friend, Sir Roger's assistant. Here the answer is B. Rogers, that is Publishers Club. That is the answer. And the varied impressions of the Casuarina tree glow with the memory of the poet's lost brother and sister. And next one, match the following utterances from the Dance of the Forest with who uttered them. I will be revenged. The world is big, but the dead are bigger. You men are conceited fools. Leave the dead some room to dance. I'll be revenged. This is of this is Ishiro. Ishiro is a god who want to take revenge for the death of that is the person who just pulled him out from the tree. That is Ishiro is the I'll be revenged. The world is big, but the dead are bigger. Here this is of dead woman. You men are conceited fools is of Rolla. Leave the dead some room to dance. This is of Dirgeman. And the 30th question match the utterances in section 1 and section 2. It is better to be left than never to be loved. Friendship without freedom is dull as love without enjoyment or wine without toasting. Men are even in their extremes, neither doting or averse. Beauty is the lover's gift. Here, it is better to be left than never to be loved. The answer is Mrs. Marwood. Friendship without freedom is as dull as love without enjoyment or wine without toasting is of Whitwood. And next one. Men are even in the extreme, either doting or averse, is of Mrs. Fainall, and beauty is lover's gift, is of Mirabel. Then 31st question, the general's view is the critical point for first language acquisition lost in the birth until puberty. And next one, I have been accustomed to travel like a gentleman. This line is taken from Vanity Fair. And next one, Meg Mordauxon, Mrs. Glass, Mrs. Darton, Mrs. Dolly Beckerton. Here Meg Doctorton is a nurse and Mrs. Glass is a tobacconist. Mrs. Doughton is a dairy maid and Mrs. Dolly Beckerton is a landlady of the Seven Stars. And next one, Indrajit Manasi Amal, the writer. Indrajit is the Indian Jesus and Manasi is takes over an anxious and omniscient presence, and then Amal is here I tell you the answer again. Indrajit is the Indian Jesus. Manasi is Indrajit's first cousin or the mother's side. Amal is the real Romeo, and the writer the writer is takes over the ambiguous and omniscient presence. Here Indrajit is an Indian Jesus and Manasi is Indrajit's first cousin in the mother's side. Amal is a real Romeo, and then the writer is take over and there is ambitious and omniscient presence. And another feature of the register is the use of, which is the special technical vocabulary associated with the specific area of work or interest. Jargon for Epson thinking means the unveiling of an ideal form. And never saw a woman too altered. She looks quite 20 years younger. Who gives this command? Lady Brackwell. Where are the 4 kinds of functions of human utterances? Sense, feeling, tone, intention. And Deshpande Darko's No Terror covers the protagonist's life story from her childhood days to her married life. And The Great God Brown was published in 1926. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நான் எல்லாத்தோட ஆன்சரையும் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். மோஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளி நம்ம ஆன்சர் எழுதும் போது ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருந்த மாதிரி தான் இருந்தது கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர். ஆனால் ஆன்சருக்கு நம்ம எழுந்ததுக்கப்புறம் என்னமோ கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர் டஃப்பாக மாதிரி தெரியுது. மேபி கட்டாஸ் குறையலாம். 150க்கு பதிலாக 130, 136, 140 இந்த ரேஞ்சில் இருக்கலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். கவர்மெண்ட் சொன்ன கட் ஆஃப்க்கு அப்புறம் நான் உங்களுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ அப்டேட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ, பாய்.